Here I'm going to show you how to adjust the zoom or location of your sensor on your box camera. The box camera has a manual varifocal lens. It is not a motorized zoom, so I'm not going to be able to move the zoom lens per se, but I can definitely adjust how the digital sensor works with the lens on top. So once I've set the camera to a certain zoom length I like to get the image in focus with my IP megapixel box camera, I'm going to click on autofocus, and I can use these finer adjustments to fine-tune the image, or I can basically use this glider to glide the focus and bring the image into focus as shown here on the screen. That's pretty much it. So once you put your lens on, and if you've zoomed in all the way and you're trying to use the manual focus and zoom levers on the camera, you're not getting anything, you need to come into the NVR to adjust your IP box camera. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.